You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous French economist from history. We'll be looking at how to say more names from economics as well. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel and more French names. How do you say it? For reference, in French it is said as Jean-Baptiste Say. Jean-Baptiste Say. Jean-Baptiste Say. So you could say it in English as Jean-Baptiste, yes, silent P, Jean-Baptiste Say. Jean-Baptiste Say from French, Jean-Baptiste Say. And now you know more videos. We're here to learn more correct pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.